What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator, and I'm back with yet another Dollar Tree haul. So let's go ahead and hop right into my haul. I have to start off with some Easter items, you guys, because I am super pumped still from my live stream. You know the one, you guys. In Dollar Tree, we looked at tons of Easter stuff and we looked at tons of Easter candy. And I have to say right away to all of you, if you haven't taken the time to look at the Easter candy in Dollar Tree, you really should. It's not just your regular run-of-the-mill candy that you see every year. There's something really special about the Easter candy this year, you guys, and I think you should really take the time to look at it. I'm seeing like taffy, saltwater taffy in flavors that I've never seen. I'm seeing gummies in brands and shapes and flavors that I've never seen. I'm seeing so many amazing things there that I haven't seen in any store, let alone a Dollar Tree. So, I mean, these candies really feel like trendy to me. They feel like they would definitely be worth more than $1, and I think you guys will be super satisfied. So when you have the time and you're in your Dollar Tree, just really look through those individual bags of candy, because I think your kids and grandkids and nieces and nephews will be so happy with the selection. Enough candy talk. Let's get into my haul. As you guys see, I have a super cute set of bunny plates, and I really love the bunny graphic this year. It's also a little felt sign. It has the little purple border. You guys have probably seen that. But this matches it perfectly, and I love the butterflies and the dots. And I believe you get 15 plates. Actually, you guys, it's 18 plates. And I just think their plates are super cute. Who remembers these from their childhood? The Mighty Malts. Of course, it wasn't this brand, but they have the speckled malted eggs, and they look amazing. Gator has been eyeing these for the last couple weeks in a couple other stores, and I told him that I'd get him some at Dollar Tree. I believe I got 2 bags, possibly 3, but you get 5 ounces per bag, and I really didn't buy a whole lot of candy the day I went to Dollar Tree. I'm going to pace myself a little bit, but this is definitely an Easter favorite. One of you had requested on my live stream to see if I could find any new unicorn items. And I have seen the cute little unicorn balloons that are up by the registers, you know, the little ones on a stick. But besides that, I really didn't see anything unicorn, just the unicorn balloons and the unicorn lip glosses. But the manager brought these over to me. There's actually a little owl and the little toad here. And you guys, aren't they cute? They're little LED yard decor, and they're super cute. I haven't tested them out. We have the little panel back here. I figured we'd try to test them out. Oh, they're already turning on. Look at that, you guys. How cute. These are so, so cute. Let's try this one out. We'll let it get a little light from the photo light. Is he working? I don't know. He might need a little time. These are super cute though, you guys, and they're really heavy. Have I told you guys how much Birdy loves these? These come from Boulevard Candy Company in Indiana, and my kids love these. We all love these. We try to find these every year. Sometimes we can't even find them at Dollar Tree, so we get them at Family Dollar. But you guys, these are so good. You get 1 dozen eggs, and you get 4.5 ounces. And you guys might want to buy more than one when you go, because they will definitely be a favorite. One thing I really love finding every season at Dollar Tree are the various treat bags. This is a pack of 25 Easter treat bags, and they're clear, and I just really love, this actually looks like snow. I don't think it's supposed to be snow, but here in Minnesota, that is possible. That is definitely possible around about the end of March, the beginning of April. We can still get some snow here. I think this set of bags is super cute. I really love all the patterns and everything we have going on down here with the Easter eggs. And these also come with a little twisty ties, even though they're like super cheap and not a very good quality. I like them anyways. You can use your own little ribbons or twisty ties or whatever cute idea you have instead of the little twisty ties that they come with. Anyways, you guys, I love these, and I will continue to buy the seasonal treat and loot bags with every season because they always have at least 1 or 2 prints that I like. Anytime you guys see cactus or succulents, you guys already know that I'm probably going to be trying to bring that home. So when I found this 4-pack of Jot notebooks with the gorgeous succulent cactus garden, I had to get it. But I wanted to open this up for you guys and show you what else is in the pack. So we have this little one, and they're very flimsy. Life is my favorite adventure. And then we have this one, which I absolutely adore. I think it's so cute. I'm kind of surprised this wasn't the cover notebook. And then last but not least, we have this one right here. So here's a look at all 4 notebooks together. I really love the shades of green and the purple and the terracotta and the pretty shades of blue. I think these are so cute. Even though these are super cheap and flimsy, you still get 60 sheets of paper. The cover is gorgeous. You could pop one of these in an Easter basket or a gift bag, and I think it would be a really cute little gift or a cute little addition. How could I forget about these little cute unicorns? Dollar Tree has the balloons, the lip gloss, and these. So in a little container, I found some Pegasus, and I also found these little unicorns. Now these were up near the Easter items, and I think they're so cute. And I got these for my little niece. I sent her some ponies in the past, and I think these were just so pretty. I also got this little one in purple, and I think she's so adorable. They don't have any other colors. Imagine how cute a little blue one would be, but I think these are really pretty, and again, I love they come with the little comb. They're so adorable. These were a repurchase. My kids really love these cosmic fruit smoothies. These are 100% natural. The strawberry banana is the one that Birdy always gets, and she got this mango eclipse for Bunny. You guys know how I feel about Breezy. I got Sun Sky Fresh, and I don't know where it is, you guys. I'm thinking maybe it's in the car somewhere, but I also got the super big box of dryer sheets. It's not Breezy, it's that other brand. It's a blue box, and they're like the jumbo sheets. You guys know the one. I was really excited to try those out, but now I need to go on the hunt and see where they are because they're definitely not in here. I couldn't resist this cute burlap and lace ribbon anymore. Every time I see it, I just think, what am I going to do with that? And I think I really, really like that. So I went ahead and got it, you guys. So I got this diamond wrap last week, you guys, and I just love it. I love how it feels. I have some DIY ideas to do with this, so I actually went ahead and got a second one. I couldn't resist this one, you guys. I actually already have it, but I wanted to get a second one, and I think it's so cute. I just compared it to the one that I already have, and it's absolutely identical, but I love the mushrooms, and I love the bright pops of color on this black background. I wanted to compare the second owl washi that I have in my collection to this one here. This one is a little bit more cartoony. We have the pink background, the rainbows and the stars. I really like both of them. However, I think this one is my favorite of the two. Another impulse buy, and I don't have it to share it with you guys, but you guys know what this stuff is all about. Birdy picked this out. She loves to have something to squish or squeeze during the car ride. It's usually silly putty or slime or flarp or squishy. Now you guys will probably say that I saved the best for last because I have a lot of fairy garden pieces that I'm going to share with you, and these are going to be a Mother's Day gift. And I think these are all just so cute. I was like, you know what? They're fully stocked. I'm going to get pretty much everything that I see. So this is the first one I selected, and I think it's just so adorable. So, so cute. And it's very lightweight. And next we have this little one that says welcome, and it also has the theme here with the mushrooms, the little red mushrooms, and I think it's so cute. I love the texture of it. It's very kind of rough. We have a real texture like bark here in the back, a true texture. I really like this one a lot. Another one of my faves has to be this one. I really love the ivy and the multiple windows that we have on the top level of this little house. The little cut off logs, the little imperfections, I think they're really cute. Again, I think these all have so much texture. They definitely look like they'd be worth more than $1. And then we have this little guy, and we're kind of going with the yellow mushrooms now and the really super tall tulips. I think the windows are so cute, and I love the layers of the roof with the little chimney mushroom. So cute. On to some smaller ones. We have the little outhouse. Every fairy garden has to have an outhouse, right? So cute. And then we have this mini gazebo. And you could actually put a fairy inside. A cute little welcome sign, because of course you have to have a welcome sign, and I love that the mushrooms are orange and blue. And the last one I have here reminds me of a windmill. I really love the blue in the front. Again, we have a lot of nice texture with the leaves, and I really like the individual leaves as well. We have a real knotty back here with all the vines and everything just all knotted up, and I just love how that looks. I've seen some trees like that in real life, and I think they're just really amazing. So here's a final look at the cute little fairy garden village, the pieces that I collected this time, and I hope this makes a cute little gift along with a few other ideas that I have in mind. But anyways, you guys, we've reached the end of my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it just as much as I loved making it for you guys. And if you did, please show me that you did by hitting the thumbs up button. Share with me down in the comments below. And if you haven't yet, hit that little button and subscribe. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.